watts. North winds 25 to 35 knots with gusts up to 45 knots and seas 8 to 13 feet expected. Where? Portions of the Gulf of Mexico east of the lower Texas coast and the Laguna Madre. When? From midnight tonight to noon Central Standard Time Thursday. Strongest winds expected between 3 and 9 a.m. Thursday. Impacts. Strong winds will cause hazardous seas which could capsize or damage vessels and reduce visibility. Seas likely to be at Beaufort scale 7 or 8. Mariners should alter plans to avoid these hazardous conditions. Remain in port, seek safe harbor, alter course, and or secure the vessel for severe conditions before midnight tonight. Thank you for listening to Weather Radio.